or so next is the next case is the when reservoir is full. So what is in condition when reservoir is full? When reservoir is in full condition, is in full condition means water pressure is also act on the wall of the dam and also acceleration due to earthquake, मतलब earthquake forces in both direction. ठीक है, तो again we draw here line diagram of dam. So this is the line diagram of dam. This is the dam downstream side, this is the upstream side. So reservoir full condition matlab here is the water and here is the water pressure act in this direction. Okay, here is also water in downstream direction. Here is also water and here height is given, that is 7 meter. This top width is given 4 meter. This height is given 26 and total height is 86 meter. This width is the 63 meter and this width is the 6 meter. Okay. So what is in reservoir full condition? How we calculate? Again, we calculate as a step 1, that is different forces act on dam. ठीक है, different forces act on dam. First force is the P, that is the water pressure. First force is the P, that is the water pressure. P here, force, magnitude and lever arm, then moment. ठीक है, this is the table. P is the force act on upstream direction, that is the water pressure force, is equal to 1/2 into total height is 86 into 10 into 86. P dash is forces acting on a downstream direction, that is 1/2 into 10 into 6 into 10. 10 is the unit weight of water and 6 is the width and height. Again, weight of part 1, that is triangular portion, is equal to what? Calculate W1 and weight of W2. Again, we have to calculate seepage pressure, that is U1 and U2. What is the value? Please calculate what is the value. So here I write only the value. Everyone please calculate. First P is equal to 36980. That is in positive x direction. In downstream direction value is the 180 kilometer. Third is the W1 is the 3360. W2 is the weight of W2 is the 126. That is the rectangular portion. And what is the U1? That is the seepage force. What is the U1? U1 value is, what is the value of U1 seepage pressure at the both end? That is 2484 and seepage pressure at the other end is the 16560. Then calculate lever arm for different forces. Lever arm for P, lever R for P is similar as previous case, that is 26.26 lever arm for P downstream direction force, that is 2 meter, same as in previous, that is H by 3, 6 by 3, that is 2 meter. Uh, lever arm for force W1 portion, that is also H by 3, this is 63 by 0.2. Lever arm for W2 forces, that is 1.4, 2H by 3. Lever arm for U1, that is similar for previous, 34.5. Lever arm for U2, that is 46. This is the value of lever arm. Next, we have to calculate moment about toe for these given forces and lever arm. So first moment due to P is the forces into lever arm forces is 36980 into lever arm 28.67, and this value is 1060093.33. Okay, next moment is the moment due to P dash forces. Force act on downstream direction is simple, very simple calculation. 180 into 2, that is simply 360 kilonewton meter. Write also unit. Okay. Next is the moment due to W1. Moment due to W1. Moment due to, what is the value for forces W1? That is 3360 and lever arm is 36.2. This value is give 212352. Please cross check every value. Please cross check every calculation. Next moment is the moment due to W2, that is the force is 126 into lever arm, that is 1.4. This value also 176.4 kilonewton meter. These all moment about toe. These all moment about toe. Next is the moment about toe due to force U1 is, what is the force of U1? That is 2484 into lever arm. Lever arm is 34.5, and this value, what is the value? Value is 85698 kilonewton meter. Next force is U2. So moment U2 at toe equal to, what is the force U2? U2 is the 16560 into lever arm, that is 46, and value is, what is the value? Value of moment is 761,760 kilonewton meter. This is the value. So next we have to calculate PE. Forces due to earthquake. Forces due to earthquake effect, that is PE. P equal to, given by equation Janger, that is 0.726 PE into H. Okay. And what is the value of P? P is the CMKH gamma WH. Okay. So what is the value of P? Write the value 0.726 into 0.1 into 10 into 8.6. How much value? How much value? So what is the value? Value is 60.372 kilonewton per meter square. ठीक है, this is the value of PE. So PE, here is also PE, here is also capital P. Okay, value of PE is 60.372 into 0.726 into 86. Here is the value PE, and then we have to calculate ME, moment due to acute forces, है ना? That moment is equal to 0.412 PE into H, that is 3769.38 into 0.412, and final value is the 133,556.9 kilonewton meter. This is the moment. Okay, so what is the value of x bar? What is the value of x bar? X bar we can calculate similar for same as previous discussion. Here summation m by summation v. Here we can calculate x bar, then we have to calculate eccentricity, that is b by 2 minus x bar. B by 2 is the given, x bar is calculated. So what is the x bar value? X bar value is near to 19.7. 19.47. So after calculate the value of B, after the calculate value of E is approximately 11.5. Everyone please check the value. So we have to check for safety. We have to check, क्या चेक करना होगा हमें? At toe forces at toe, मतलब direct stress at toe and direct stress at toe heel. So compressive stress at toe should be less than 3000. If compressive stress at toe is less than 3000 kilonewton per meter square, then our dam is safe in compression failure. Then our dam is safe in compression failure. ठीक है, हमारा डैम क्या हो जाएगा? सेफ हो जाएगा कंप्रेशन फेल्यूर में. फॉर टेंशन फेल्यूर, टेंशन क्रिएट एट हील. सो पीवी शुड बी लेस देन 500 kilonewton per meter square. Then our dam is safe in tension failure. ओके, तो सो टेंशन एंड कंप्रेशन फेल्यूर के लिए हमने डैम को डिजाइन कर लिया. ठीक है, डैम को हमने डिजाइन कर लिया फॉर टेंशन एंड कंप्रेशन फेल्यूर. फॉर PV2 should be less than 3000 kilonewton per meter square, and PV at heel should be less than 500 kilonewton per meter square. This is for safety condition. Okay, this is safety condition. And next we have to check for sliding failure. We have to check for sliding failure. Okay, how we check for sliding failure? So for sliding failure, horizontal forces should be less than frictional forces, है ना? क्या था हमारा फॉर स्लाइडिंग फेल्यूर के लिए कंडीशन क्या था? For prevention of sliding failure, F should be less than equal to summation of H. Okay, this is the case of safety for sliding failure. So everyone please check, this is safe in sliding or not. Everyone please check, this is safe for sliding or not. Okay, so everyone please try once again this question step by step and design our dam is safe or not in different condition. सब लोग एक बार दो बार ट्राई करना सिमिलर क्वेश्चन को स्टेप बाय स्टेप. हमारे पास 7 डिजाइन स्टेप है. ट्राई करना और चेक करना हमारा डैम सेफ है कि नहीं डिफरेंट कंडीशन में. आइदर एम्प्टी रिजर्वायर, आइदर फुल रिजर्वायर, आइदर स्लाइडिंग फेल्योर, आइदर कंप्रेशन फेल्योर, आइदर टेंशन फेल्योर. ओके. Okay, so please try this question once again. Everyone, please try this question once again, step by step.